Could Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, realistically explode to a staggering $10,000? First, let's examine Ethereum's past performance. It has demonstrated impressive growth, driven by increased adoption of decentralized applications, or dApps, and the rise of DeFi. The more dApps and DeFi projects thrive, the higher the demand for Ethereum to power these platforms, which could drastically affect the price. Technological advancements are equally important. Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake with the merge was a major step towards scalability and efficiency, vital for handling increasing transaction volumes and broader adoption. Secondly, the current market trends cannot be ignored. Keep a close watch on factors like overall crypto market sentiment, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic conditions. Expert opinions are divided. Some analysts predict Ethereum's price to soar due to its growing utility, while others caution about the potential for market corrections and competition from other blockchain platforms. Keep in mind that predicting cryptocurrency prices is incredibly complex and inherently speculative. $10,000 is definitely possible, but several challenges could derail Ethereum's meteoric rise. Continue to stay informed, do your own research, and understand the risks before making any investment decisions. Subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis.